Good day, everybody. It's my weekly outlook for the week of Sunday, December 21st, 2025. Today is Saturday, December 20th, 2025, and I'll be going over the same pairs that I always trade, AU, EU, GU, and UJ. Along with those, I'll be doing the DXY dollar index, just more so of a reference and an additional tool that I like to use in the aid of the bias directions that I see for the other pairs. So starting off with the DXY, what I see right now is that the market is currently buying. How do I see that? Looking at this trend compared to the previous trend, this tells me that this is a correction. So overall they're selling, but as of right now it is buying, and due to it, the market actually buying right now, that's the direction that I'll be looking for. So more specifically, what it's exactly doing right now, it looks like the market has pulled back and potentially is going to create a higher high. If it does do that, that would be awesome. From there, I just need a correction. Um, Once I have my correction, then we can look to target this previous high from this trend here. So with that being said, the dollar is currently buying an overall downtrend. AU, EU, GU should be doing the inverse of that, right? They should be selling. I'm sorry, they should be buying and currently selling. But just because that is, we're still going to look at it. I don't want to predict. So looking at AU, what I see right now, looking at the current trend, right? This is the impulse compared to the previous trend. This lets me know that we are currently buying, right? Which is somewhat correlating to the DXY, which usually is the inverse in an overall downtrend. Will it continue in this formation throughout the week? Who knows? Or will it start to correlate more so? I mean, inversely correlate with the DXY? We shall see as price presents itself. But being that it is buying right now, it is corrected and it's corrected too low for me. So, quite similarly, I would definitely need to see price come up, create a new higher, higher high of some sort, give me a correction, and then we can target this high up in here. Moving on to EU. All right. Now EU is doing more so the opposite of DXY. So that is good, right? Um, as of right now we're selling. How do I know I'm selling? Looking at this trend here compared to the previous trend, this lets me know we are in a correction. Um, so overall it is buying, but as of right now it is selling. Being that it is selling right now, I would like for the market to give me a correction and then sell lower. And the next level from this trend here is way down here. Will it get all the way down there? Not sure, but that would be my target. Now, as of right now, yeah, it has pulled back. So again, I would like to see the market go ahead and continue to make a lower low prior to give me that correction. Moving on to GU. As of right now, with GU, it is a lot of noise going on, right? Just a lot of inconsistency. Um, so as of right now, I don't even want to look at this. It's just too much going on. No, one direction. For me to potentially look into doing something like this, I would need to have price break above this high or this low down here, and then we can begin to plan for some potential opportunities. Until then, we will just leave this alone. All right, moving on to USD JPY. What is going on right now? Looking at this current trend. compared to the previous trend lets me know that I am in a correction, right? So overall, right now, USD JPY, sorry, Yen futures is buying. UJ would be selling overall. With that being said, though, so what I see right now in this current move is that the market is trending down, which is fine with that. But in order for me to potentially partake in the opportunity of this, I'll need to see the market correct, right? As of right now, it is slowing down. We haven't lost volume. I need to have a correction, and then I could target this low. Um, that's ideal, ideally. All right. Other than that, that is all. Thank y'all for watching another weekly outlook. Hopefully this has given you eyes to see how I look at the markets. Thank you.